health and well-being. Kitchen knife safety with grown-ups. In a cozy sunlit kitchen on a crisp Saturday morning, Sam and their grandmother prepared a delicious breakfast together. The air was filled with the comforting aroma of freshly baked pancakes and sizzling bacon. As they worked, Grandma explained to Sam the importance of safety when using knives. "Always keep your knife sharp," she said, "but never forget that it's a tool meant for grown-ups." Sam asked, "But what happens if it's not sharp?" Grandma demonstrated, trying to cut through an apple with a dull knife. The fruit squished and struggled, causing her to grimace in frustration. "If you grip a knife like this," Grandma said, holding it with a loose grasp, "it could easily slip and hurt you." Sam watched intently as Grandma demonstrated the proper way to hold a knife. "You should always keep your fingers curled around the handle and your thumb in line with the blade," she explained. Now that Sam knew how to hold a knife safely, they watched as Grandma used it to chop an apple. The apple fell neatly into slices with each careful cut. Grandma handed the knife to Sam, who hesitated before taking it. "I'm not sure I can do it," Sam said. Grandma smiled reassuringly. "Just remember what I showed you," she said. Sam took a deep breath, and with a newfound confidence, began to chop the apple slices. As they finished chopping the apples, Grandma and Sam shared a proud smile. "I can't believe I did it," exclaimed Sam. Sam proudly served the pancakes to their family at the table. "Look what I made," they exclaimed, beaming with pride. After breakfast, Sam and Grandma curled up on the couch together to watch their favorite cooking show. "I can't wait to make more delicious meals with you," said Sam. As the days passed, Sam continued to practice their knife skills under Grandma's watchful eye. Each day, they grew more confident in their abilities and discovered new ways to make delicious meals with the help of their grown-up.